Another new CEO doing a bit of debt clearing is Stuart Grimshaw at the Bank of Queensland. They downgraded their forecast as well, said they were heading for a $91 million first half loss, largely due to the problem loans on the Gold and Sunshine Coasts. Here's Stuart Grimshaw.
We've seen signs of rapid property value decretion in the Sunshine and Gold Coast in particular, and I don't think that's a surprise to anyone, but the extent of the rapidity of the move has probably surprised me a little, which has caused us to market our book in that troublesome and impaired area just for prudence and conservatism, and I think that's the right place to be, and that's part of the reasons for that capital raising.
Haven't had a bank loss in 20 years. The last one was ANZ, $578 million, 1992.
Remember it well.
But it's not a real loss, is it? You know, they're taking, as he says, conservative provisions, which if they don't actually need them, they'll add them back and it'll add to profit growth later in the game. Profit's still up 20%.
Bank of Queensland's not ANZ. It's a very small bank exposed to a particular market, which is not travelling very well. That market's not travelling very well at the moment. When you look at what they did, half of it, well, a little bit less than half of it, relates to an increase in their collective provisioning, so it's general insurance against future risk, and the other component of it was actual deterioration in their loan book. So I think that's the interesting bit. That says that Queensland, particularly South East Queensland, is not travelling at all well.
And they've got the tourism market as well, isn't going well up there.
Exactly.
They're 62% of their profits are coming from Queensland. So
and they had the floods.
Yeah, but the stock market's seeing it a bit like QBE, because they've had a great little big inflection point in the QBE share price. New management just cleared the decks with all the floods. Bank of Queensland, same thing. New management, clear the decks, load of floods, couldn't get any worse. Let's buy it. I reckon they'll make a mistake doing that.
Yeah,